to my channel, Afri-kan, where I believe you can do your Afrikaans. We can have fun, we can learn new things, we can sound out, do actions, everything we need to do to help us remember and say and do well in our Afrikaans. Today's sound is going to be fun. It's the sound. Like you do, it's the I and the G together make a It's the I, and the. Remember, it's the back of the throat. Yeah. Oh, no. With sound. Okay. We're going to have fun today. Let's get started. Okay. There's our boy. He's ready. Smiling. Big cheesy. Give me big smiles. Give big smiles. Yeah. There we go. There it is. At the end of our word. Ons het 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 woorde. 5 words. Eerste, first. Lig. Lig. Yes. Thank you, Eskom. If you know, you know. Eerste is lig. Nice and short. 3 words. 3 letters. Let's sound it out. L. Ugh. L. Ugh. Sit die lig aan. Put the light on, please. Asseblief. Yes. Next. Oh, nice big eyes. Show me your eyes. Show me your eyes. Pretty. Yes. Sag means to see. I can see. Ek het sag. I can see. There, it's almost like you can imagine those big owl eyes. So open your eyes nice and wide. For teacher and for mommy, daddy. Blink, 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 blink. Yes. Because you are very lucky you can still see. Sag, to see. So let's sound it out. Ugh. Sag. There we go. Nice and easy. Eerste een is lig. Tweede, sag. Derde woord, third word. Gesig. So there we go. Gesig. Your lovely face. Nice eerste spel. Gesig. Let's sound it out. Ge. Ugh. Gesig. I know it's a lot of it's complicated over here because you got the ge, which is we don't really hear ge-sig. You say ge, kind of include the e. Ge. Ugh. Gesig. Yes. A beautiful face. Now, these two are interesting. This is rug. So I'm like, oh, but isn't the rug your back? No, no, no. This rug is to direct. So ek rig die pyl. I direct the arrow. So she's holding a bow and arrow. So if you got your bow and arrow, and you're holding the arrow and you're about to try hit it in the bullseye. Nice and short. R, ugh. R, ugh. Good, good. Next is a wedge, a vig. A vig, the wedge. So sometimes you will see this during PT, or maybe if your table is skew, or your chair is a bit skewed, then you kind of fold the page, or you just put something under the one leg of the chair or the table. We wedge something in there, or vig something in to make it stable. We use a vig, we use a wedge to make it nice and stable. So let's sound it out. V, ugh. V, ugh. Eerste, tweede, derde, vierde, vyfde woord. Vig. So there again, it's a W, yes, but remember, the W makes a V sound in Afrikaans very often. V. So let's count our words. Eerste, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 woorde. Yes, we did 5 words. Ons eerste woord, lig. Ons tweede woord, sig. See? Derde woord, gesig. Vierde woord, rug. to direct, point. And vyfde woord, number 5, is wig, to kind of wedge it in. Good job. Let's make some sentences, because these words, some are new ones, some easy ones, some, yeah. Let's see, gesig. Ek het 'n mooi gesig. Why don't you say that about yourself? It's a good positive affirmation, because you're all beautiful, you're all stunning. Ek het 'n mooi gesig. Ek het 'n mooi gesig. In the end, you go. It's a lovely sentence. Ek het 'n mooi gesig. Full stop at the end, 'n punt aan die einde. That's a lovely one. And or let's say somebody asks to put the lights on or to check if load shedding is finished. Sit die lig aan asseblief. Put the light on, please. So, sit die lig aan asseblief. Sit die lig aan asseblief. So, there's the action. Oh, you know, your finger, you press it. Sit die lig aan asseblief. Good job. Good job. Well done. Give yourself a high five. That's all for the sound today. We learned some new things. It was so much fun. Lots of action. Hope you can remember everything for your sound today. I know it was a little bit difficult, pronouncing new things. Don't worry. Practice, practice, practice. Please like and subscribe so you don't lose anything. You can practice again and again. If you've got new sounds or you want to practice a couple sounds for your tests or for assessments, you know where to look. If teachers and mummies have things they don't know, or sounds or orals they want me to help the children with, please email me. And I'll see what I can do. A lesson for you, for your school, for you. Don't worry. I'll see what I can do. I'll try to help. Okay. If you like my posters, please go to Inner Flash on Facebook. There's lots and lots of resources there for you. Don't forget, every week, new sounds, new things to do. See you.